Hello, this is a recording for Saturday, February 21st. Today's practice is titled You Are Electric. It is designed to tune into your electric nature. As always, take a comfortable position that allows you to be resting, relaxed. Whole body sinking into the support beneath you. Nothing for you to do. Allow your body to ease. Be aware of your whole body all at once. Aware of your whole body as a field of energy. Feel as if your whole body is breathing. Entire body effortlessly breathing. Nothing to do. Simply observing the whole body breathing effortlessly. Breathing through every pore. Energy flowing effortlessly in, permeating the body. Feel alive with energy. Effortless flow of energy in and out. You are electric. Visualize or feel this in any way you like. Light, sparks, currents, or anything else that pops into mind. Your whole body alive with energy. Electric. Buzzing. There is nothing you need to do. Your whole body is alive with energy at every moment of every day, even if sometimes you don't feel it. Now be aware of that reality. Energy is dancing around, buzzing around, inside your body at every moment, at every single moment. It's a fact. You might not feel that energy at every moment. You might feel you lack energy. Simply tune in. Energy is there at every moment. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice, simply bringing awareness to this fact of your electric nature at any time you need. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.